Hi, welcome to Reboost. I'm Ariel, and now I would like to demonstrate to you how to use the CR3005 Mark II model. Here on the left hand side of the machine, we have two buttons. So the top one says Reboost, is to start, pause, and to stop the operations. And then we have one more called mode, is for you to change the timer. We have 15, 25, 45, 60 and 90 minutes. Here on the right, we have two buttons. One is for reboot and another one is for emergency. And here's the view from the rear of the machine. We have the two outputs, the intake for the water supply, the HDMI port, the antenna, power supply with the 5-pin. And over here, down here, we have the flashback and overflow, the drain, and then here's a refill for the water supply and the fan. Before we start, we have to make sure that everything is well connected. So step number one is for us to insert these holes for the two outputs, like this. Next, we insert the water supply hose into the refill section here, like this. Alright, and make sure it is well secured. The following step is to connect the machine to the power. So we have this 5-pin commando cable. Right, so what we do next is to insert the 5-pin plug into the socket. Please ensure to insert it securely. Before we power on, just make sure that all of these three key areas are well secured and ready to go. And now we can switch on the machine. Here is our LCD display showing all the functions available on the machine. So we start with the water supply through the tap water image, and then the water we run through the water pump and straight away inside this RO filter. And here we store the pure water inside the water tank, and we have another water pump goes straight into our cooling coil and into our hydrogen generator. Also, on the top left hand corner, we have our digital counter. We have the hour, minute and second. So this is to accumulate all the service time through this machine. We have the Wi-Fi as well to see how strong the Wi-Fi is. This is the clock. Over here, you can see the status of the machine. So currently it says it's stop, and below it we have the timer. And on the top we have the two temperature sensors. One is for the cooling coil and another one is for the PC. And finally we have the model number for this exact machine. And now we are ready to serve our customer. So before we do that, let's make sure that the car has already started. Wind down the window and switch off the aircon. Before we begin to reboost our customer's car, just simply put the hose inside the air intake like this. And now we can start to reboost the car. After you have done servicing your customer, you have to wait to let the machine cool down for about 5 minutes, and then you may proceed by pressing this reboot button here to shut down.
Yeah, I never had. Yeah, last few years ni dia a bit sluggish kan. Tak ada had so much fun lah.
Oh, driving a Prius with fun is something not matched like normally previous you drive for fuel efficiency, but now it's bringing back the joy in driving.
Okay, okay. So the old girl kan?
Yes.
The 12-year-old girl.
Over.
189,000.
Yeah, 189,000 kilometer mileage.
My wife will feel it now. Hardly anything on the throttle. But
Yeah. You don't need to press so much. Yeah, that's the beauty of it.
I don't feel it. Normally, the idle, you can feel it through the steering wheel. Ni hardly anything lah ya.
Cik Shahrizal, your final thought on Reboost after doing it on your 3 cars?
Yeah, I'm an engineer. I'm conservative by nature. So engineers' axioms, is always don't gas test. So I've tested with 3 cars. I'm definitely convinced.
First time I got it past 4,500 RPM.
And effortless.